Hey, what's up, guys? Myself, Noaf, and welcome back again to another video, a new one. Surprising, I'm doing a video. My computer is working. So, long story short, I've been gone for a month because a lot of things happened. One third or two thirds of the things that happened was related to work, and then the last one third of it is because my computer decided to just die at the end of the month, just as a middle finger or a fu to me, even after all the stress. So, yeah, at least the computer's issue wasn't a big deal. It was more of a software-related issue rather than a hardware, which was good for me because I didn't have to pay for anything, really. Thank God. The only good thing that happened this month. But everything went bad to me, and I generally just was so depressed. So, yeah, and I wanted to make this video literally a week ago, especially like a day after the release of the 5060. So this is a $50 PC build using the RTX 5060 Ti, 16 gigs. But I couldn't because I didn't have a computer. So if anyone's gonna mention something like I'm being late or whatever, people have issues. So you know, I couldn't do anything really. Anyways, I'm back. I did lose a couple things, especially because I have an issue with Microsoft. Really hate Microsoft with their account recovery and stuff. So I don't really have a Microsoft account at the moment, but the computer is working just fine. And I do have my accounts on YouTube and whatnot, so it's not that big of a deal. But I did lose a couple things, and I did lose the access for 2 games specifically, and a couple of other features. Um, Minecraft, Sea of Thieves, you know, they're both Microsoft related. So that's lost. Thank you, Microsoft. Really have an issue with Microsoft. But other than that, I still have, you know, the things I needed, and I still have most of the things. So other than that, I shouldn't be talking about that. Long story short, I'm back. So this is the first PC build that I've made after the whole stuff happened. And you know, it's gonna be one of the 3-part videos I'm gonna be making related to the 5060 release. So the 5060, 5060 Ti, 8 gigs, and the 16 gigs. I'm gonna make PC builds using all of 3 with the original MSRP. I know the prices are a lie, and the real prices are very high at the moment, but I'm just gonna do it for the sake of the video, using the MSRP prices. Because why not? Long story short, even though it's going to be a $850 PC build, originally it's not. I'm pretty sure that this one's going to probably cost like even more. But, you know, might as well just make a video because why not? Anyways, without wasting time. Also, yes, if the audio is weird, again, they formatted the whole thing. It's all gone. I just realized I also lost my... whatever, it happens. Anyways, this is how I'm gonna sound like. I'm sorry. I'm starting off with the processor, and the processor of choice is the i5 13400F. It's an F series, you know, not that high wattage, but still do a good job. 10-core processor, 6 cores, performance for efficiency. Look, I know there's better options for processors, but for this one, it will do the job. Not only has a good amount of performance, also it's a quote-unquote 10 cores, not 10 performance cores, 10 cores in general. It does the job. I mean, I have a processor similar to this one in terms of performance. It does the job. I don't see the issue here, so we're going with it. The motherboard went with the Gigabyte B760M DS3H. It's a micro RTX motherboard. It's a simple motherboard that does the job. I mean, port-wise is really good, although the Type-C port, I believe, is only 5 gigabit, but hey, it's a Type-C port. There isn't exactly good heatsink for the VRM, but it's there. And you know, there's 4 sticks for RAM, and there's an M.2 connection. So I say it's good. Should do the job. That's all I can say, really. For the RAM, we went with the PNY XLR8 16 gigs. It's DDR4 dual sticks of 8 gigs, DDR4. And it's 3600 megahertz. And I know why. I mean, it's the processor probably will support maximum of 32. First, because it was the cheapest one, which I mean, for a very known company that find this cheaper, that yeah, I don't care. I'm going with it because it's cheap. I if I saw this for the price point that it is, I would definitely get it. So we're going with it because of the price point and also because of the performance. And heck, if you want to do that, you could just change the processor for something that's support for this one, and it will still be a good deal in general. So we're going with this RAM. For the storage, we went with the Lixar NQ780. It's a Gen 4 SSD. It's 1 terabytes. It's very fast. It even supports for the PS5, so you can see that why it's fast. I know a lot of people will say, well, that's not really how it functions. Usually, PS5 only requires a fast SSD, so that's the reason why. In general, for the price point, yeah, we're going with it. Now, for the graphics card, we went with the Zotac Twin Edge RTX 5060 Ti, 16 gigs. Still fan, simple, it's nice. And, well, that's pretty much it. It's an RTX 5060 Ti. I do have to say, the GPUs these days are getting much better looking than before. Now, this is the design I like. I didn't even thought of doing that. There's even their symbol in the front of the... Bruh. No, that's a design. That's a design. So, yeah, we're definitely going with it. Now, for the power supply, we went with a Zigo TEP GN 650 watts. It's 80 plus gold certified power supply. It is non-modular, so the cable's all there. It's going to be... It's not going to make it look really good looking inside the thing. But hey, it does the job, so we're going with it. For the case, we went with a Thermal Take Versa H16. It's ARGB. It is a micro ATX case, which looks nice. And, I mean, there's a fan in the back, 2 fans in the front. They're mesh. It will cool. It's not the best case if you want to add a liquid cooler, that's for sure. But, yeah, for this type of PC build, this should do just fine. So we're going with it. Now, the total price point for this PC build is around $868. So not exactly $850, but I'm going to go with the $850 price point because of the video. And also to get attention from people. What I'm trying to say is... the clickbaity-ish part of the video is this one, the price point. But again, we all do that. Every single people in the tech space of YouTube, we sometimes just, you know, say it's around $500, but it usually costs $520, time $510, $530. So you know, long story short, though, it's on the price point of $850-ish. So yeah, would I recommend this? Probably would say if you can find a 5070, that'll probably be better, and also change the power supply. That'll probably be a better option. But because you can't find 5070 at $550, heck, you can't even find this one with a 5060 Ti 16 gigs at $429. I will probably say that you probably spend like 900 and something bucks anyways. So there's that. The GPU market is really bad at the moment. So there's that issue. But long story short, if you can't find this GPU for $429, I don't know, I'm just gonna say yes, you could build this. Definitely recommend it for a 1080p player, not 1440p. You could do 1440p in a light scenario, like some light games, but mostly for 1080p for future games. So yeah, we're going with this, though. We're definitely going with this. But that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys had fun. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys want to see more, comment down below, share this video, give a like, remember to subscribe, share this video to your friends, to your family, to your pets. If you guys have any thoughts about the video, if you guys have any ideas, or if you guys have any, you know, anything in your mind about this whole thing, comment down below, share your thoughts, give me your opinion. I do want to hear them. If anyone's going to mention about this PC build not having an actual physical PC build, like I always said, I can't. I don't have the money for that. Right now, I'm actually having an issue with this money. You know, building PCs is expensive in real life, okay? Don't say that you could just build it to show it. It's really a waste of money. And especially for a small YouTube channel like mine, it's really nonsensical for me to do that. I've learned in a hard way that spending money to do something that could get you a good amount of views, but not to the extent to get you out of the whole money scenario. So that's why I'm making virtual PC builds. I'm trying to find someone who to build their own PC build so I can build it for themselves. Oh, actually, that's probably a bad thing. I mean, someone who wants to have a, you know, a build PC build by parts, but wants someone to build for him, then I will definitely ask him, you know, if you want me to build it for you, and I don't even need the money to do that. I just want to record it / stream it. So that's the thing. But I couldn't find anyone. I really couldn't. I generally stuck. But if you live near to my place, or you live in this city and you want to build a PC build, but you don't know how to build a PC build and you want someone to help you, I'm here. Please. Anyways, I have to end the video real quick. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys liked it. Comment down below, share this video, give a like. Remember to hit the bell icon. Remember to subscribe. We're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. Just 200 more. We're that close. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye-bye. I'm trying to think of a better outro these days. Peace.